Hello everyone. Who are we? Why do we act the way we do? And what makes us behave a certain way? Is it our past, present, or future experiences? Is it our tendency to fulfill certain needs in our life? Or is it our innate nature to try and achieve self-actualization? I am Nicole Uggan, and I'd like to thank you for sharing your time with me today. Today, we will be analyzing Tony Stark's personality assessment utilizing the humanistic perspective of personality. According to Cloninger, the humanistic perspective concentrates more on positive and healthier aspects of human experiences. It focuses on the present rather than the past or future experiences. It emphasizes subjective experiences and emotional aspects that seek to improve current conditions. It seeks to improve human condition by changing environmental factors. Two humanistic theorists include Carl Rogers and Abraham Maslow. Rogers theorized that individuals are motivated by actualized tendencies. Maslow theorized that people develop through 5 different levels of hierarchy needs. From what I know about Tony Stark's real-life personality assessment, he is a 33-year-old male. He is married to Gwyneth Stark and has a 4-year-old child named Dwayne Stark. He works as a security systems manager, and his religion is Christian. Some of his personality characteristics include: he is very transparent about his dedication to his religion. He focuses on present outcomes with society by volunteering to help those in need around him and helping build homes for third world countries. He values the emotional experiences of others and himself by creating homemade video content on people's journey to being one with the Lord. He continues to preach to others in hopes of inspiring them to find the word of the Lord. He is extremely positive in his everyday endeavors and views unsuccessful events to grow and become a healthier individual. He takes responsibility of his own life by self-reflecting and changing his environment to fit the needs of others and the Lord. On the other hand, after reviewing his online personality profile, Tony is described with his basic information as a male born on October 1st, 1985. He went to Pine Oak High School and studied at Wayne Community College. He is married, and one of his favorite movies is The Atheist Delusion. He is transparent about his dedication to his religion by visiting religious historical museums like the Ark Encounter Museum and the Creation Museum in Kentucky. He values the emotional experience of others and himself by creating homemade video content on ways to change one's life and environment to live a most positive life. Some of his video contents include a barbershop's journey to opening businesses and financial ways to provide and live more at financial peace. He continues to preach to others to find the word of the Lord by soliciting and posting reviews of religious institutes. He has a positive regard to others' wants and needs through development and personal testimonials and visitation of different religious sites. Finally, he continues to strive to learn more about the self and religious culture. That said, there are a couple of differences and similarities of the two personality profiles. Some similarities include the fact that the member is devoted to his faith. He seeks to help others through messages of videos. He values the emotional experiences he has with himself, and others try to convey that through producing video content. He continues to preach the word of God to others both in real life and online. He displays positivity in both situations through his video posts. He continues to strive and learn more about self and religious culture. On the other hand, there are differences. First, it is limited to a small amount of words and his videos for the online profile. Therefore, it doesn't specifically say that he volunteers for many different places on the online profile, even though I know those are volunteer events. These events show that he actually cares for others. Since the online personality is limited to only words and videos, it also doesn't show facts that he is a positive person, like true facts. It is assumed. basically through his videos online. Other than that, there are not much differences as he does make his presence known on social media. That said, let's explain some of the differences and strengths of these profiles utilizing Maslow's hierarchy of needs. According to Cloninger, Maslow's 5 hierarchy of needs move from the physiological needs, safety needs, belongingness, and love needs, esteem needs, and self-actualization. Furthermore, the social and emotional well-being of individuals are connected to culture and people's ability to connect internally and externally with culture in order to achieve the higher levels of Maslow's hierarchy of needs. On the bright side, Stark is connected to his religious culture that he has with his community around him, and has shown that he has connected deeply with his roots. Therefore, has the option to achieve those higher needs. Although, because the online profile is limited, again, to only words, it doesn't show that Tony is fully connected to his own culture. Again, it is just assumed, which can account for a huge difference between real-world and online personalities. Also, according to Winston, the healthiest individuals with self-actualization tendencies are unthreatened with the outside world and are extremely thankful for their life's blessings. For Maslow, those that are self-actualized appreciate every single basic needs and goods they have in life with awe, pleasure, joy, and wonder. For Tony, in real-world situations, it is easy to see that he has appreciated the little things in life, and he has achieved self-actualization tendencies. However, again, for the online profile, one cannot specifically and factually say that Tony has achieved self-actualization just based off of a couple of words, online reviews, and videos. All that said, personality theories are complex modules, and complex modules are so important and extremely useful for people. Overall, these theories and modules help describe behavior and personality. Through assessments, it helps act as a guide for employers and employees for future employments or job positions. It helps concentrate on several different factors to include the past, present, and future. It helps concentrate on positive factors to help change a person's environment for the better. It helps provide a range of information about a person with different perspectives, rather just sticking to just one. It helps with flexibility when finding and trying to describe a person and their personality. Finally, it helps correct any biases one may have using several different perspectives. All that. Thank you all for your time. These are my references for my presentation, and I hope you learned a little bit about Tony Stark and the humanistic perspective. Have a good day.